Good morning, guys. It's Saturday and we're going into week 4 of Drills and Chills, and I am working on my canvas. It is miserable here. If you're on the East Coast, you know what I'm talking about. We're just getting hammered with rain. So I wanted to let you know that I took advantage of the sponsors for Drills and Chills. Go to Katie's site, or go to Katie's site at Diamonds and Washi, or go to the Facebook page Drills and Chills, and there's a list of sponsors that are offering discounts and stuff for Drills and Chills. So I got Leopard Leatherworks. Katie did, Katie at Diamonds and Washi. I'm talking about her like I know her personally. I don't. Katie at Diamonds and Washi did what did she do? A small shop haul, and I really liked a pen that she got from Leopard Leatherworks. Look how cute. I mean, look at the packaging. It's a leopard. Thank you. And I'm not waiting to open this. I'm sorry for the noise in the background. My husband is practicing. He's a musician, and I hope that I got my settings right on my Samsung Galaxy Ultra. Hello, microphone. And that it, you don't pick up this background noise. And I even have some of my coffee shop jazz going on in the background. So if you're going to hear anything, you're going to hear that. Let's open this up. Let's open this up. That's why you're here. You're here for me to open this up. Anyway, this is my little sweetie coming along. This is, what do I have here? I have Haunted from Diamond Art Club. And I've been busy. I just want to make sure I'm in the frame here. Here we go. How is everybody? I hope that if you're having this kind of weather like I'm having, that, you're indoors. I got a nice warm cup of Earl Grey tea with some honey. Let me just lower this a bit. Yeah, I have some Earl Grey tea with some honey. And I'm so excited. I've never had a custom pen, and I feel like I'm going to start a collection, like we all do, right? Collecting craft supplies is a whole other craft. Okay, what do I got here? Okay, I'm trying to. I just, I'm like this with wrapping paper too, guys. I don't just dig right in. When something is packaged really nicely, I like to open it up nicely. This was a fabulous sale too that I caught. Oh, I don't think I'm going to be able to. This was a fabulous sale that I caught because I believe it's a pen and a tray and a boat. So. Oh mio mio. Oh my god. Oh, it's wrapped so beautifully. Here, let's put this down here. My little leopard mailer. Where are we going here? I don't want to scratch anything. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm literally shaking. I don't, well, that's not true. I think I'm trying to convince myself that I don't, but I actually just bought, and when I get them, after I get them, I'll post where I got them from. I just bought 2 more Elizabeth Ward storage trays for my Dreamer Design. What do I have? Dreamer Design Crimson and Dreamer Design Lilac, and I need storage systems for them, so I bought 2 more. And I'll be doing those this week. Look at how sweet! Oh, we don't need to hear you in the background. Okay. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this tray. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute. Leopard Leatherworks. Look at the spout, how big it is. Oh, I don't know what anything is. This is the Firefly. These are like my favorite colors. I love gold. Look how pretty. Oh, I guess this is like a little trash tray. Oh, does this come out? Oh, it does. So you got your little trash tray. Oh, it says push. Okay. I need to get acclimated to my Oh, push. Oh, push here. Oh, so it comes out. Okay. And then this is for your pen. This is so you can put your pen in here. So I have one with a spout on it. You put your, all right, let me use the pen that I have. Here's the lid. Oh, wow, that's really nice. Okay, we're going to work with these. Buy white tray. Oh, I love, you know what I love? The high walls. Oh, I love high walls because I shake like a mad woman. I've said this multiple times in my videos. Oh my gosh, look at how wonderful. Okay, so what is this, like a thing to, is this like an open and close? Is this for my pen? Oh, it's an open and close. Look, the spout's open. And then the spout's closed. Oh, I love that. How smart. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Okay. Let me put this back on. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Firefly diamond art. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm very, you know, I feel everything very tactile. Scan this code to visit our website. Use code Firefly10 for 10% off your next purchase at Firefly Diamond Art on social media. Oh, let me tell you, I went to their website. It is stunning. This is the tray to put your goodies in when you're done, which I love. I put everything away. I've said this multiple times. When I'm done with my diamond art, I put everything away. Aren't these great? I have little crystals for my drills and chills diamond art that I'm using as a cover minder. Okay. And Foofy is here. Hi, Foofy. I was filming the other day and I didn't realize that he had his paws right on the edge of my desk and he was here looking at me. He's big. He's huge. He's a huge cat. And he's a rescue. He's my rescue. Oh my God. Are you catching this beauty? I feel like I need more light on it. Hold on one second. Let me get you closer here too. Oh my God, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. So it's gold and lilac and gold, and it's got little leopards in there, which I love because it will remind me of Leopard Leatherworks, right? Am I right here? Leopard Leatherworks. And it's light. It's substantial in the hand, but it's light. Very light. And oh my gosh, I can't wait. Let me see here. Did I actually put this on my diamond art? Oh, this is all done, this part. Where am I? What am I working on here? Oh, I'm working on this part here. Let's see. We shall we? Get this here. I am working on... Oh, this is how excited I am. I have no wax in here. Oh my God. And I have purple wax to use too. This is from Dreamer Design. I love their wax. Their wax is like a wax and a putty. It is amazing. So I am on you here. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love this pen. I'm going to put my placer, and I can feel, I think I've been using pens that are actually maybe shorter. Yeah, I've been using shorter pens so I can feel the height. I can feel the weight being distributed while I'm using it. It's really nice. Oh, I really love the height of the pen. So sweet. I love it. Love it. So here's my pen. And of course, I'm such a knucklehead that I didn't use my tray. Let me use my tray. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I love the feel of this pen. Now, I have a short pen that I love too. I love my shorty. I love my shorty pen, and that feels really good in the pen. I love my slim pens, but this feels so different because of the extra height. It's so nice, and then it just goes in here like that. Come on, stop it. Stop. You know you want one. Leopard Leatherworks. And I believe I paid like $70 for this. And the tray and the boat. Trills and chills. A nice a nice little baggie here. Carrie Costello. Carrie at leopardlw.com, Leopard Leatherworks on Facebook, hashtag leopard.leatherworks on Instagram. Very sweet. Oh my goodness, some sample squares. Oh my gosh, and they look like a Christmassy green, emerald green, very pretty. Use Leather 10 coupon during the checkout at DP with Sparklers for a 10% discount on your entire order. Shine bright with DP with sparklers.com. I haven't bought any sparklers yet, so this is a nice intro for me. And I guess it's if you want to swap some things out of your canvas. This is round, so if I did have a square green, because this could pass for Halloween green. I'm saying Christmassy green, but it could swap for Halloween. I would have swapped that out just to try it, definitely. And some stickers. These are all going in my my stickers now are going in my journal. Leopard Leatherworks. I would rather be diamond painting. Isn't that the truth? I didn't want to do anything today at all but diamond paint. I even had to go to dinner last night. I didn't want to do that either. I wanted to just stay home and diamond paint. I'll put this in here, and this will go in here with my tray. Thank you. No, thank you. I love my tray. This is so well made too. You know what this reminds me of? Oh, how pretty. Oh, how sweet. It's burnt in there. You know what this reminds me of? When you get a really nice case of wine, sometimes you can go to your local liquor store, and sometimes they get bottles that are in cases and they'll throw the cases away. I always ask them if I can have them because I use them for different crafts and stuff. This is so well made, so nice, so smooth. It feels wonderful. So I'm going to put my tray in here, and someone is trying to get in my door. Of course, isn't there mail always coming? There's mail always coming. Bye, guys. Yep, I'm coming. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, guys, I cannot believe how fast this came. I just ordered it last night from eBay. It is my Elizabeth Ward. I got it from eBay last night. Free shipping. Are you kidding me? I ordered them because they were cheaper than Amazon. And they're here today. Oh my God. Let's open them up. I just got to hide my address. It's so funny because every time I'm filming, either my laundry is in view, which it is right there, or the phone's ringing, or I'm getting mail delivered. Oh, good. We got this off. 1, 2, 3. I can't believe this. I can't believe it's here. I can't believe it's here. Here it is. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to tell you what I paid for this. These were on eBay. Well, let's make sure that they're right. I cannot believe it's here the next day. It was supposed to come Tuesday. Oh my God. Yep, it's them. Here you go. It's them. The same ones that I ordered from eBay. Hold on. I gotta put everything down. Don't you love these impromptu filmings? Here it is. It's here. The next day. I ordered these last night while I was waiting for the rest of our dinner party to show up at the restaurant. Let me put this here. Oh, scared the cat. Let me put this here. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. So I got the 45. These are the same exact ones I got from Amazon. 2 of them. One is for lilac, one is for crimson, so I can get them kitted up. And let me tell you guys, there's no packing slip in here, but I will tell you what I paid for these. These were $34.99 each on Amazon. I got them both for $47 on eBay. I'm going to link the eBay seller below. So if you're looking for these, I paid $47 for both and free shipping. It was meant to be that I did this now because I didn't want to do this while my husband was practicing upstairs, but it was meant to be. I love these. Let me see here. Make sure it's sealed. They're sealed. They're brand new. This is 82 pieces. Yep. They're packaged the same way they were through eBay. I'll put this here. I cannot believe they're here. They said free 3-day shipping, that they would be here on Tuesday. Yep. Look at this. Same exact thing. Here's my sheets. Same exact. Absolutely perfect. All in here. 82. All in here. Next day, eBay seller. Yep, I'm going to link that all down below for you. I'm so glad I was opening up Leopardworks. Leatherworks when this came. And I can get my other 2 kitted up, because if you do follow me, you know that I kitted up Foxy Lady, which I started Foxy Lady. My cat is in the box. And I had it kitted up in something that I bought when I was just beginning diamond painting, and I am pulling my hair out. The lids are breaking off. I think I got it through Temu. But there you go, guys. This made my rainy Saturday a little bit more enjoyable. And I hope you're staying dry, and I hope you're being crafty, and I hope you're creating something beautiful, because we are creating the world that we want to live in. And we do that by doing the things that make us happy and bring us joy, and surrounding ourselves with all the things that do that for us. I love being in my house. I love it. I love being indoors. I love shutting the door, putting on my jazz music, making myself a cup of tea, and opening up my mail, and doing my diamond art. So I hope you're doing the same. Have a good one. I'll see you soon. Bye.